My name is Gina, and I would like to officially welcome you to Season Beauties. If this is your first time visiting with us on today, welcome. If you are returning, thank you so much. Your girl really does appreciate it, and welcome back. Either way, if you're currently not subscribed, you know what to do. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button below. Become a part of the Season Beauties family. We'd be more than happy to have you. And there's more than enough room on this family tree just for you. Now, before we get started on our video today, which is going to be the unboxing of the Boxycharm Premium, I do want to encourage everyone who won a giveaway gift during the live. I need you to send me your information, email it as soon as possible so that I can get your giveaway gifts out to you. Now, we're going to jump in and open up our Boxycharm Premium. For those of you who are not familiar with Boxycharm and the 3 levels of Boxycharm that there are, I will leave that information down below so that you can check it out and decide for yourself if that's something you would like to become a part of. Now, our description card, which gives us our theme for the month, it's the same as our Luxe Box, okay? And that is glam vibes only, okay? Now we're gonna just jump in. And the very first item that we have is glowing vacation skin is in this bag, okay? There we go. And this is the Frank Body Coconut Coffee Scrub. And this is vacation glowing skin right this way, babe. I'm a natural vegan body scrub here to give you vacation glowy skin all year round. With a blend of coffee and essential oils, I'll work my magic on stretch marks, scars, and dry skin to leave you as free as a palm tree. Exfoliate, smooth, and tone for real and imaginary vacations made with roasted coffee grinds, grapeseed oil, and jojoba beads. Okay, and the manufacturer suggested retail price for this item is $18. Okay, it says Robusta coffee buffs away dry skin, coconut oil, antibacterial to help fight breakouts. Grapeseed oil is rich in vitamins to reduce the appearance of scars. And this is a 7.05 ounce bag, and it is resealable. Okay, it gives us directions on the back of how to use this item, as well as the ingredients that are inside. Okay, so that one is item number 1. Then item number 2 is a Marc Jacobs product. Okay, and this item is the Marc Jacobs Beauty Enamored High Shine Lip Lacquer. It says the Marc Jacobs Enamored High Shine Lip Lacquer is formulated with a breakthrough triple shine complex and high performance polymers that transform color pigments into a hydrating gloss, enriched with antioxidant rich superfoods and cell repairing phytonutrients, plus vitamins A and C, unprecedented shine, and unstoppable wear. Manufacturer suggested retail price is $25, and this is a 0.16 fluid ounce size. And this is what the inside packaging looks like. And this shade, I'll leave the shade name down below. Let's see. Okay. Wow, that really is amazing shine. The color isn't too bad either. But I will have you know, it does have a very medicinal smell. Oh, I love this. Okay, to let you know that your package is closed. But yes, it does have a medicinal type smell to it. Maybe it has plumping properties in it. I'm not sure. But we will. I do like it. Didn't think I would, but I do. Okay, and then the next item that we have is the ice roller. I saw this in the add-ons. Okay, I'm not quite sure what this is all about, but it's the ice roller. I've already taken it out so you can see it. So, okay, and it says ice roller for your overworked, sensitive skin. Okay, and this is what it looks like. Okay, now our description card says this ice roller is your new at-home facial made with high-quality surgical stainless steel. It helps calm inflammation, increases blood circulation, and alleviates sore muscles, tension, and headaches. Recommended daily use. For best results, manufacturer suggested retail price is $18. Nice. Now this is very, very cold to the touch. Very cold to the touch. And this handle is made, I want to say it's made of wood. But I don't think so. I think it's more of like a pressed wood or a heavy duty plastic. So it says, prep, thoroughly cleanse and dry skin, remove ice roller from the freezer. Okay, so keep it in the freezer and allow it to sit for a few minutes. For additional benefits, apply your favorite serum or sheet mask. Okay, then it says treat. Lymphatic drainage. It says start treatment by rolling along cheekbones, outwards towards the hairline, slowly move upwards towards the eyes and roll under eyes upward. Roll from the center of the chin outwards, okay, along the jawline towards the ears. Roll up the temples and upwards over the forehead, okay? And then it says thoroughly cleanse, tone, and apply serum to the skin. Finish by rolling down the sides of your neck towards the décolletage. Spot treatment, it says gently roll over any areas of inflammation or tension. Hold under eyes for a few seconds to depuff and brighten the under eyes. Then it says repeat, okay? Now, according to this, it is extremely important to sterilize the roller head with alcohol after each use and store ice roller in the box inside of your freezer. So do not discard your box, okay? Do not discard the box. You need this in order to place this tool in your refrigerator or freezer, okay? So that is item number 3. Then the next item that we have is by Emma Hardy, and this is the Brilliance Facial Oil, and it says hydrating and lightweight. The Brilliance Face Oil from Emma Hardy massages deep into the skin so you can achieve a natural looking glow Multi-active, this formula is crafted with potent essential oils that soothe and purify skin, while camellia oil offers antioxidant protection from free radical damage. And the manufacturer suggested retail price is $55. It's a wonderful size. Look at that. Okay. Let's see what kind of scent it has. Okay, and we use the dropper that's here. Alright, so I have rubbed a little bit of it into my skin. It has almost like a lemony fragrance to it. So the packaging is beautiful. And that is item number 4. Then the next item that we have is by Olay Henriksen. And this is the Fat Glow Facial. Okay, it says they're fat, literally, like AHAs and PHAs deliver skin perfecting age fighting results, but PHAs are just a little plumper. They're bigger molecules, so they don't go as deep as they loosen up glue that binds the surface layer of skin together and reveal the newer, fresher skin underneath. That means less irritation and recovery time for everyone, even sensitive types. And the manufacturer suggested retail price for this item is $50. And this is a 50 milliliter or 1.7 fluid ounce size. Okay, this is what the product looks like. Okay, and it is a pump top. Very, very nice. This is a facial in a pump jar. Okay, so moving right along into the last item in our box. Was waiting for this, y'all. Yes. And this is the Eloise Beauty, the Queen Eyeshadow Palette. The Queen Palette possesses immense energy of life, femininity, and strength. Each color tells a story. Each color holds infinite power and carries a unique narrative. Our highly pigmented colors, which are suitable for all ranges of skin tones, are inspired by stories, tales, and legends of kingdoms, taking you through a journey in time from the past to the present. An era of femininity, grace, and power. A queen lies in us all. And the manufacturer suggested retail price for this beauty right here is $48. This packaging is flipping gorgeous. Okay, and the palette itself does look like the cover. Man, the jewels in this crown are everything. And yes, it does have a full-size mirror. Okay, and these are the gorgeous shades. I am accepting tomorrow. We may just take some time and create a look using this palette. Let's just jump around and swatch a couple shades. I'm even gonna swatch a matte, I think. Look at that. Look at that. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Did I say gorgeous? Okay, let's go. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, that's just beautiful. Just beautiful. Yes. Okay, I'm excited. I'm excited to use this palette. Well, I just want to ask you, what are your thoughts on the premium box? Okay, now I have to tell you, Boxycharm did the thing this month. The Luxe was truly Luxe, and this premium was truly premium. I loved it. I'm not sure what my favorite is going to be out of this box yet. I don't know. I love the palette. I love the ice roller. Look, I'm getting myself ready with the scrub and then the oils, and you know, we'll have to see. So, I don't know what to tell you right at this point, but I do know I loved everything that was in this month's box, and these are those products that were enclosed in our September Boxycharm Premium Box. And below is the manufacturer's suggested retail price for all of these items that are included inside. Now, I do thank you for choosing to spend time with me on today as we unboxed Boxycharm's Premium Box. Okay, now, as always, remember, regardless of the season that you are in, you will always be a seasoned beauty. Until next time.